Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Becca Mahalia Miller, aka Becca. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing a hair mask and a wash day. So for my hair mask, I have right in the plate my honey smoothens the hair follicles, and also it adds shines to the hair and restores natural luster. Along with honey, I'll be incorporating banana. The banana is actually rich in natural oils and vitamin. It promotes elasticity and it prevents dandruff. It also protects the hair from split ends, and I will be adding 3 bananas in the hair mask. So basically I did not use the blender to blend them up. I actually used the method of the fork method in order to break them up in pieces and mash them, if that's the word, in the plate. So next that I will be adding was that is just added a while ago was actually the hair mayonnaise. The hair mayonnaise is actually filled with natural oils that treats the hair. Next up is my coconut oil, which helps to treat split ends and hair breakage. So next up I will be pouring my olive oil. My olive oil is good for maintaining strong and healthy hair and maintaining good scalp, and also it's high in antioxidants, and all of this is good for the hair. So my egg actually enhances elasticity on the hair, and it's rich in protein, which boosts up a healthy hair. So we just continue mix and mix and mix and mix. But actually I realized that I need more banana, so I'm gonna put the 3rd banana in the dish and mash it out. Yes. Yeah. And then I continue mix again. This is the result, but I will have to shake it up afterwards. I'm actually pouring it into an empty container so that I am able to shake up the ingredients some more, so that everything can come together nicely. So right now I'm gonna shake up this container so that, yeah, shake. Wait for it. Wow. So I am going to incorporate all these products into my thick natural hair. Of course, I'm going to use the comb and part my hair so that I can best get the groove of this thing into my hair. Yeah. Disclaimer, like all of these products it can be very messy. So if you're gonna use this product, believe me, if you're gonna do this method of hair mask in your hair, sis, please do it somewhere that you know it's not gonna, you can fix it up afterwards. It's not gonna cause a big mess, because the banana and the mayonnaise and those stuff that are incorporated into the hair, it can get messy. Because when I turn my back, you're gonna see how much mess is there, as well as the bathroom was a mess, and not not only that, your hair will be hard to wash out. Like these products, especially the banana, it's hard to wash out of the hair. So yeah, disclaimer. So as you can see, sis or bro, whoever watching this video, like, man, behind of me is a mess. It's a mess. I literally had to rinse out this blouse and put it online right away before it caused a stain on my clothes, and I had to bathe right away as well because I was so sticky and itchy. I mean, like, oh my god, it was crazy. Like, it was crazy. So now it's time for me to rinse out this craziness out of my hair. Oh my god, my face was like messy as well. I mean, like, damn, wow, it was hard to rinse out. Believe me, it was hard to rinse out. But yeah, I'm actually rinsing out the hair mask that was applied to my hair, and then after which I will do my wash day using my shampoo and my conditioner in my hair. Yeah, I was actually rocking to music because I was listening to music. I had music playing on my laptop in the bathroom. Can you believe that? Laptop in the bathroom. Yes, I took that risk because I actually spend a long time in the bathroom when I'm washing my hair, because I wash my hair, I bathe, I do everything in there. I spend like an hour. No exaggeration, sis. No exaggeration. I spent that hour. So I needed music. So as you can see right here, I had to use my comb pick to comb out the hair along with washing it out again. Yeah, I did wash it out again. I had to like washing out the mask. It was like crazy. So for my wash day, I normally use argan oil shampoo and argan oil conditioner, deep conditioning treatment. Right now I'll be pouring the argan oil shampoo in my hair. I normally use argan oil products basically for my wash day. I've been using argan oil products for the longest while. I'm not sure. I'm almost sure it's about 1 year or even more. 1.5 years since I have been using argan oil shampoo and conditioner in my hair, and I'm telling you, it's actually lovely. I love the texture that it gives my hair when I wash it, and I love the smell and everything. So of course, while applying the shampoo, you have to actually massage your scalp so that it can be incorporated properly into the hair, so you can actually benefit from the ingredients that are in the product. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Yeah. So next I'll be using the argan oil deep conditioning treatment. Of course, I'll be pouring it into the palm of my hands and then applying it on my hair. And this conditioner or an oil conditioner. It smells really good. It is allows my hair to be really soft. Like the texture is amazing, honestly. So of course I'll be massaging my scalp and ensuring that every strand, every inch of my hair grabs the deep conditioning treatment and benefits from it. Yeah, the back of my hair is so pretty. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, I actually reached for more argan oil deep conditioner, sorry, because I think I need more in it. That's what I thought at the moment. I needed more in it. And of course, when you actually apply conditioner to your hair, you need to comb it out and allow it to stay for 5 minutes or 3 minutes, not that long. But in this case, I will allow it to stay for a while because the product actually says deep conditioning treatment, and I believe that it can stay for about 10 minutes. I didn't remember at the time how much minutes the product actually said that it should stay for. So yeah. I don't know where I went a while ago, but yeah, let's continue combing my hair. And basically that's it for my wash day. After combing out the hair, I will be washing out the hair or rinsing out the hair of the conditioner, and then from there I will dry it and apply my necessary products to it and do a tiny bump or a plait. I'm not sure is it. But the essence of this video was the hair mask and the wash day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye.